You think the best action cameras are just for extreme sports junkies? You're about to be proven wrong. In 2025, the best action cameras have become essential for travelers, vloggers, cyclists, and even everyday creators who want unbeatable video quality in a compact device. I've gone hands-on with the latest models, looking at durability, low light performance, stabilization, ease of use, and overall value. Whether you need a budget-friendly option, a rugged, waterproof design, or the most advanced AI-powered camera on the market, I've got the right pick for you. And trust me, the #1 best action camera of 2025 is a game-changer you won't want to miss. Let's review our top 5 picks for the best action cameras in 2025. 5. DJI Osmo Action 4. Versatile and user-friendly. DJI continues to secure its place in the best action camera category with the Osmo Action 4, a model designed for creators who demand strong video performance in different environments. Featuring a 1.13-inch sensor, this action camera captures 4K 120 FPS video and handles both bright daylight and low-light conditions with impressive clarity. Its rock-steady 3.0 plus stabilization ensures smooth footage even during high-speed biking, skiing, or running. One of the highlights is the dual touchscreens, a front-facing screen that helps vloggers perfectly frame themselves, and a rear display for intuitive control. The rugged body is waterproof up to 18 meters without extra housing, which makes it one of the most practical cameras for underwater shooting. The magnetic quick-release mount also simplifies setup so you can quickly switch between accessories. If you're shopping for the best action camera in 2025 that balances usability, durability, and solid image quality, the Osmo Action 4 is a reliable pick. It's not the absolute top in terms of raw image performance, but its user-friendly design, waterproofing, and stabilization technology make it a great value choice for everyday adventurers. 4. Sony Action Cam. Compact powerhouse for travelers. The Sony Action Cam continues to impress users who want professional-grade performance in a compact size. Built with Sony's CMOS X4R sensor, this model delivers crisp 4K video recording with strong color reproduction and reduced noise, especially in dim environments. It's a lightweight device that travelers appreciate for its portability without compromising on durability. Unlike bulkier designs, Sony keeps things compact and ergonomic, making this camera perfect for helmet mounts, bike rides, and long hikes. The stereo microphone picks up clear sound, and the anti-distortion lens prevents the fisheye effect that plagues cheaper models. With image stabilization and built-in GPS, users can track and overlay speed, location, and route data on their videos. For 2025, the Sony Action Cam remains a contender for the best action camera if you want portability, dependable video quality, and professional audio capture. While it doesn't have the flip-screen flexibility of some newer competitors, its sensor quality and efficient design make it a top choice for travelers, cyclists, and lightweight gear enthusiasts. 3. AKASO Brave 8. Budget-friendly best action camera for beginners. Not everyone needs to spend premium money to get reliable performance, and the AKASO Brave 8 is proof of that. Consistently rated as one of the best budget action cameras of 2025, it offers 4K 60 FPS video, 48 MP photos, and built-in image stabilization, a rare combination at its price point. With an intuitive touch display, beginners can quickly adjust settings without feeling overwhelmed. The dual-screen setup makes it perfect for vlogging, while the waterproof design up to 10 meters adds versatility for swimming, snorkeling, or rainy hikes. Its voice control features let you capture moments hands-free, which is convenient when biking or skiing. Despite being an entry-level option, the Brave 8 supports a wide range of accessories and mounts, making it easy to adapt to different shooting scenarios. In 2025, if you're seeking the best action camera for under $200, the AKASO Brave 8 should be on your radar. It doesn't deliver the same cinematic quality as GoPro or Insta360, but for everyday users and hobby vloggers, it's the best budget-friendly action camera available today. 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. Flagship durability and performance. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is still the go-to option for many professionals and enthusiasts in 2025. Known worldwide as the best action camera brand, GoPro's latest model offers 5.3K 60 video, 27 MP photos, and hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, delivering top-notch footage in nearly any environment. This model excels in versatility. It's waterproof up to 33 feet without housing, shock-resistant, and compatible with a wide range of HB series lenses for even more creative control. The Hero 13's advanced horizon lock keeps your shots perfectly level even if the camera rotates during extreme activities like surfing, mountain biking, or skydiving. The rear touchscreen and front display give users full control over framing and settings, while GoPro's Quick App integration makes editing and sharing seamless. Compared to other best action cameras of 2025, GoPro stands out with its ecosystem of accessories, proven durability, and professional-grade video quality. It's slightly pricier than mid-range competitors, but for adventurers who want industry-leading performance, the Hero 13 remains one of the best action cameras on the market. 1. Insta360 Ace Pro, AI-powered excellence. At the very top of the Best Action Camera 2025 list is the Insta360 Ace Pro, a camera that redefines what's possible in this category. Co-engineered with Leica, it features a flagship 1.13-inch sensor paired with a Leica Sumarit lens for unbeatable clarity, especially in low-light conditions. Its AI-powered noise reduction and pure video mode push action camera performance to new levels. What makes the Ace Pro stand out is not just image quality, but its AI-driven features. From gesture controls to clarity zoom and automatic highlight generation, this camera is built for creators who want smarter tools. The 2.4-inch flip screen is larger than most competitors, making it easier to frame vlogs or selfies. Add in flow state stabilization, 4K 120 FPS slow motion, and rugged waterproofing to 33 feet, and you get an action camera that excels in all conditions. For creators who want the best action camera in 2025, the Ace Pro is hard to beat. It delivers a balance of cinematic video quality, AI-powered enhancements, and rugged outdoor performance that other models struggle to match. If you're looking for the future of action cameras, the Insta360 Ace Pro is the one to get. Conclusion: the best action camera in 2025 isn't just about recording video, it's about capturing experiences with clarity, stability, and ease of use. For budget-conscious users, the AKASO Brave 8 offers unbeatable value. Travelers may lean toward the Sony Action Cam for its portability, while the DJI Osmo Action 4 delivers strong all-around performance. Professionals and enthusiasts will find the GoPro Hero 13 Black a rock-solid choice, but the Insta360 Ace Pro takes the crown with its AI-driven features and Leica-powered optics. No matter what your budget or shooting style, one of these models will fit your needs and help you create stunning content. Choosing the best action camera in 2025 is about matching the right balance of features, performance, and price to your lifestyle, and this list covers the very best options available today.